Hello and welcome to another one of my videos. In this one I'm going to be finishing off a guitar. We are heading back to South America from New Zealand. We've spent a year here, but it looks like we'll be going back there for a short period of time. So I needed to finish the guitar fairly rapidly, so I filmed some of it, but I didn't film the whole process. But I'll show you what I did, and here we are. Having installed the rosette and put that in, I'm now coming to doing the fretting, the fretboard. Now I've drawn it up, and here we are. Now I have calculated the scale, two different scale lengths here. One's a little bit longer than the other, but I'll go with this one. It's based on that logarithmic scale. Now it is very important that when you do your slots here, that they fit exactly precisely. One pencil width difference in that, and a professional musician will call your guitar untuned. My daughter goes with 3 cents difference, rather. I don't know sure how many hertz that is, but they get very precise. So you want to have as much accuracy as possible. Now I had quite a job getting hold of some fret wire, and very expensive here in New Zealand, but I managed to get some anyway. Now I now need a saw thin enough to put the fretting wire in. The thinnest one I could find was this one. This is kind of small hacksaw, the thinnest blade I could find. I have clamped the board to the table, and now with a block I'm going to put that right on the line and clamp it there as a guide. Tighten it slightly, then adjust it so I'm right on the line. Tighten it off. Now I can put that blade against the block and then use that as the guide to split that pencil mark down the middle. So we can take that off just after a little bit and double check that the groove is going to be good. We can deepen that later as well. That should now take the fret wire down in there. Should be a firm fit, not sloppy, and it will go in there tight, firmly.